When we receive the machine, install the arm in the machine. And we need to connect this socket before turning on the machine. And here is the LT we can connect here. Because of this machine we use the active, so we don't need to add the water. Now we connect the and connect the power line. And then turn on the machine. We turn on the key switch. And here is the emergency button. When we receive the machine, it was turned on, so we need to turn off. Normally, we don't need to turn on. Only when we have an emergency related operation, we need to turn on. Once turned on, the machine will turn on. We need to wait about 1 minute to let the machine has a buffer time. We can see this machine has 4 systems: fractional mode, pulse mode, guiding mode, verbal mode. Now we check the first one, fractional mode. This mode we need to use the operating hand, this one. Now we install the operating hand. We connect this socket here. And install this operating hand. And the air tube we can connect here. After install the operating head, we set the parameter. Here is the height and this the width. This tool can set to 15. And this the duration. It means the time stay on the skin. We can set to 2.7, and this the times. It means the scan time. We can set to 1. And this the power. The power we can set to 8 bursts, and adjust it based on the customer building. And this the density. It means the distance between 2 points. We can set to 0.8. And this is the scan mode. It has 3 modes: sequence, random, and half. We can choose one according to our need. And the last one is the interval. We can set to 0.5. And here is the trimmer mode. It has 6 options. We can choose one according to our need. After a parameter are set, we can click here, stay on the pedal, start working. Now we check the second mode, pulse mode. This mode we need to use this operating hand, and it has 3 little operating hands. 1, 2, 3. Now we install the operating operating hand here. Connect this little one. And then actually we can connect here. After install the operating head, we set the parameter. Here is the mode option. It has ball mode, CW mode, pulse mode, repeat mode, ultra mode. And here is the power. The power we can set to 6 first. And here is the times energy counter. This three we don't need to set it. And here is the time on and time off. The CW mode don't need to set the time on and time off. And the pulse mode, we can set the time on to 30. And the repeat pulse, we can set the time on to 30 and the time off set to 10. And the ultra pulse, we can set the time on to 60 and the time off to 30. After parameter set, we can click here, step on the pedal, start working. And the next mode, guiding mode. This mode we need to use this operating hand. And it also has two little operating hands. This one is the 180 degree, and this one is the 360 degree. Now we install the operating hand. We connect this over here. Connect this connector. And the operating hand. And the little one. Here is the line. We can set to 4, and this the density. It means the distance between 2 points. We can set to 1.0, and this the duration. It means the time stay on the screen. We can set to 0.9. And this one is the interval time. We can set to 1.5. And here's the power. We can set to set to 10 first. And this the time. It means the scan time. We can set to 4. And after parameter set, we can click here, step on the pedal, start working. And the last one, bubble mode. This mode we need to use these two operating hands. This one is for 180 degrees and this one is 360 degrees. We can choose one according to our need. Now we install the operating hand. This one we also need this connector. Connect this operating hand. After install the operating hand, we can set the parameter. Here is the power step. The power we can set to 10 first. And this is the density. The density we can set to 1.0. And the duration we can set to 0.9. And the time we can set to 4. And the interval time we can set to 1.5. And we can clean here, stay on the pedal, start working.